The Zhou Dynasty. The Zhou people settled west of the Shang civilization along a tributary of the Yellow River. Over time, the Zhou villages gained more and more territory and eventually encountered the Shang people. When the Shang dynasty became weak, the Zhou kingdom conquered the Shang, took their land, and established the Zhou dynasty. Ruling from 1122 to 221 BCE, the Zhou dynasty was China's longest-lasting family of rulers. The size of ancient China made governing difficult. A concept known as the Mandate of Heaven helped solve this problem. Beginning in the Zhou dynasty, the king claimed that he was chosen by the gods in a mandate of heaven to rule. The Mandate of Heaven helped the Zhou justify their conquest of the Shang dynasty. It encouraged people to accept the new king as their ruler because obedience to the gods was very important in Chinese culture. The Chinese people saw the king as their link between heaven and earth. This concept benefited kings by encouraging their subjects to accept their right to rule. However, the Mandate of Heaven also had a downside for kings. The Chinese people expected the king to live according to a way that was proper in order to keep the gods happy. A bad harvest or natural disaster could be interpreted as a sign that the king was no longer pleasing the gods and therefore no longer fit to rule. If someone successfully overthrew the king, the leader of the rebellion then claimed that he now had the Mandate of Heaven to rule. After all, if it was not the Mandate of Heaven that he should be king, the gods would not have allowed him to have defeated the previous leader, right? Under the Zhou dynasty, China became very wealthy. Chinese culture, art, and trade flourished. Thousands of artifacts have been found from the Zhou dynasty, including bronze mirrors, bronze and marble statues, and turquoise and jade jewelry. In the late Zhou dynasty, people discovered how to make iron tools and weapons. They domesticated horses and even introduced coins as the first money.